Respect is a vital human value that promotes understanding, tolerance, and trust, and enhances communication. When individuals treat each other with respect, they create a sense of safety and security that fosters positive and productive interactions. Additionally, respecting human rights is crucial for creating a just and equitable society where everyone has equal access to opportunities and resources. Being respected can boost an individual's self-esteem and sense of belonging within their community. Respect is essential for building healthy relationships and creating a positive and inclusive society. Hello and welcome to this video on the topic of 4 reasons why people disrespect you. Have you ever felt like people don't show you the respect you deserve? It can be frustrating and demotivating when others don't treat you with the dignity and kindness that you expect. In this video, we will explore 4 common reasons why people might disrespect you and provide some tips on how to handle these situations. Reason 1. You lack confidence. One of the most common reasons why people disrespect you is because you lack confidence. When you don't believe in yourself, it can be easy for others to sense that and take advantage of it. To build your confidence, try practicing positive affirmations, setting small, achievable goals, and stepping out of your comfort zone. When you exude self-assurance, others are more likely to treat you with respect. Reason 2. You don't set boundaries. Another reason why people may disrespect you is because you don't set boundaries. Boundaries are essential for maintaining healthy relationships and ensuring that others treat you with respect. Make sure to communicate your needs and limits clearly and assertively. Don't be afraid to say no when you need to, and avoid people who consistently push your boundaries. Reason 3. You don't treat others with respect. Sometimes people disrespect us because we don't treat them with respect. It's important to remember that respect is a two-way street. Be kind and compassionate towards others, and they will likely reciprocate. Try to see situations from their perspective and practice active listening. Reason 4. You don't stand up for yourself. Finally, people may disrespect you if you don't stand up for yourself. It can be tempting to avoid conflict or confrontation, but sometimes it's necessary to speak up for yourself. Don't be afraid to assert your boundaries or call out disrespectful behavior. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect, and it's okay to advocate for yourself. In conclusion, there are several reasons why people might disrespect you, but there are also several ways to handle these situations. By building your confidence, setting boundaries, treating others with respect, and standing up for yourself, you can earn the respect that you deserve. Remember, it's never too late to start taking steps towards a more respectful and fulfilling life.